important is oral hygiene when it comes to your overall health? I'm Jill Horner. This is Comcast Local Edition. With me this hour is Dr. Mitchell Friedman from Dentistry from the Heart. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you for inviting me.
When we talk about oral hygiene and oral health, how important of a role does it play in our overall health?
It's very, very important. There are many studies that show that periodontal disease, tooth decay, oral infections can lead to low birth weight babies, also diabetes, stroke, and heart disease.
So we're talking about some major complications if we leave something like our oral health neglected, but many people are in difficult situations right now because of the economy. Maybe they've lost their health care. You're really trying to reach out to some adults in the region who may have let their oral hygiene and their oral health care slide.
Yes, I mean, as a parent, it's very common for us to neglect ourselves and take care of our children first, and that's very important. However, some people have fallen through the cracks. Some people have lost their jobs, lost their benefits. And this is an opportunity. This is our third annual event, and we've grown every year. And this is our opportunity to give back to the community, to those who may be experiencing difficult times.
Let's focus on what actually happens on the day. It's your third annual event. You've had such a positive response to these events that it's actually on a first-come, first-served basis this year. You have to limit it to 150 people at each of the practices. But you have things like blood pressure screenings. We're talking about your overall health, not just oral care.
Yes, that's right. A lot of times people are surprised that we take a blood pressure and that they find out that they have high blood pressure. And we just want, this is one of the things that we do all the time in our practice, to let people know, look, you have high blood pressure, you need to go to your doctor and get this checked out, because we're worried about your overall health.
So that's just one of the things that'll happen, and there will also be some oral cancer screenings available.
Yes, we'll be doing oral cancer screenings. We'll also be taking digital x-rays, and along with the blood pressures, and everyone will then get the opportunity to have a procedure of their choice, whether it be a cleaning, a filling, or an extraction. Whatever they choose, it's up to them. A lot of people, I'm surprised, who aren't able to sleep at night because they're in such horrible dental pain. So we hope to relieve a lot of suffering.
So in addition to the information that you're giving people about their oral health and the x-rays that will be given, you're then giving them the opportunity to actually do something about it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And this is a day of volunteerism. You know, some people have said, oh, well, you're just looking to look for new patients. This is not about that. We even turn people away who say, thank you for helping me today. I'd like to make an appointment. And we say, that's terrific, but today's all about volunteering, and you'll have to give us a call tomorrow. We don't answer our phones. It's all about volunteering.
So for people listening that are saying, you know what, I don't have dental insurance right now. This may be a great opportunity for me. Where do I go and when?
The event is at Newman Springs Dental Care, 539 Newman Springs Road in Lincroft. Registration will start on October 8th, that's Thursday, at 7 a.m. The first 150 people who show up are guaranteed to be seen.
Okay, so it's important to get there early for this event.
Yes.
Now, it's not an event geared for kids. This is really specifically for adults.
Yes, this is for adults, 18 years of age or older. Children in our area really have other opportunities. We have the hospitals, we have Parker Family Health Clinic that many of us volunteer at, that in Red Bank, that's really terrific. There are a lot of opportunities. It's the adults that usually fall through the cracks.
What was the purpose in starting this event a few years ago?
Well, a friend of mine, Dr. Vincent Monticello in Florida, saw a need, and he started this in 2001. And actually, this is our third event, so we've grown every year, and it's really tremendous. Comcast Spotlight has been a terrific sponsor for us to help us get the word out, and it's just a day of giving. We have more volunteers this year. We have myself, Dr. Hari Harkumar, Dr. Jonathan Fratelloni, Dr. Jeffrey Zatzkin, and Dr. Alan Ruda, who will be helping out various times during the day until we get everyone taken care of.
Okay, just a couple seconds left. Just remind us of the date.
The date is October 8th, 7 a.m. Show up early. First 150 people are guaranteed to be seen.
All right, thanks so much.
Thank you very much.
We've been talking with Dr. Mitchell Friedman from Dentistry from the Heart. I'm Jill Horner for Comcast Local Edition.